Hello and welcome to this video talking about your certificate and reference, um, which we presume is one of the reasons why you are doing this course. If you haven't signed for this course, remember, please do so. Please sign on this website, educationalpaths.com/teachtraining. As you probably know, my name is Alvaro and I'm the course coordinator. So I'm going to talk about your certificate. I'm going to talk about the future. I'm going to talk about the future because you can create your future. This is just a template of the certificate that you might receive at the end, and is attached to a reference that might be similar to this one. This is pretty much the reference that we gave to one of the people that did the course before you last year. And now you've probably seen here some of the skills that many schools will love to see in a reference. And it's not just a reference, it's attached to a certificate that is attached to a teaching portfolio. We would like you to think of the skills that you feel you might qualify for before the end of your project. And we would like you to make sure that in your portfolio, in your teaching portfolio, you include enough evidence that these skills are not just skills that you have, but you've proved you have and possibly learned during the course. Some of them might be directly related to teaching English as a foreign language. Others might be skills that someone might not think that are skills that you need as a language teacher. But while you're practicing, you will see that there are many skills that someone might not, that you didn't think that were useful as a teacher, but they are. Maybe singing, maybe dancing, maybe being patient. So please start writing your reference from day one. Start writing the reference that you would like us to sign, as me particularly as the director of this course, because if you prove them true, I would just simply cite them. And that's something that is very important for you. Um, and don't wait till that. You might already start looking for, what skills are people, looking for. What skills do you have? You might just write down the list of your skills right now, like as I say, for example, singing. And then eventually, if you feel that that's a skill you have, then make sure that you use it during your lessons, because that way your lessons will be better, you will enjoy your lessons more, and also your certificate can be something that helps you more easily to get another job, which is, we presume, one of the reasons why you're doing this course. Okay? If you have any question about skills, or if you have any question about what they can be, or if you feel that you need to get yourself better, we might eventually put you with a specific coach. From time to time, we manage to get coaching on professional skills, and that might help you with this. So if you need, please do ask for help, and hopefully we will be able to provide that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and good luck with building up your portfolio and the list of references and skills for it. Thank you.